Hi friends, today I discuss about probability. Basically, probability is just such an interesting chapter in your book, and probability relates to everyday life. Probability relates to everyday life and solve many problems, solve many statements, or solve many guess things, solve many guess problems. Now, in everyday life, we come across statement like as I doubt that he will pass test. That he will pass the test. So the person is in uncertain situation that I doubt that he will pass the test. The word doubt give uncertainty to pass this test. I take a second sentence. So many everyday life problems. There is a 50-50 chance. There is a 50-50 chance of India winning a World Cup semi-final. Sorry for the mistake. Final. So there is all this in this statement also a doubt situation. 50-50 chance. This word create a doubt, create uncertainty is the situation. I take some more example. I take some more example. There's a it will probably rain today. This is also in this statement also probably create a uncertain situation. So basically these words doubt, 50-50 chance, probably creates a uncertain situation. Uncertain situations mean maybe yes or no. It will probably rain today. Not sure to rain today. It will probably rain today. Maybe raining or may not be. So in daily life, in everyday life, I make I tell such a more statement in which uncertainty created. Like one more example, if I take in horse racing, most probably horse see will stand first. In this statement also avoid most probably. This is also an uncertain situation or may not be situation. So basically probability is to define for an uncertain situation. The words probably, doubt, most probably, doubt, 50-50 chance, probably, most probably, used in the statement above involve an element of basically uncertainty. The uncertainty of the uncertainty situation can be measured numerically by means of probability. Numerically measured by probability. So I hope you understand what is probability. I tell you in one statement, probability is that branch of mathematics in which we numerically measured of uncertain situation problem. So further in next page. So in this page we discuss about usage of probability, in which situation probability to be needed. In every field like in weather forecast, biological science, medical science, physical science, in these all field probability is used. Now if I take a simple example or a simple game process, take any coin in which one side is head and the other side is tail. Take a coin in which one side is head and other side is tail. And toss it 10 times. Toss it 10 times. And note down the number of head and number of tail. And record your observation in the form of this table. Number of times the coin is tossed, number of times head up, and number of times tail comes up. So record your observation in this table. Number of times the coin tossed, I will tell you 10. So I assume the number of times head up with 7 So remaining 3 times number of tail comes up. So if I ask to you to find this fraction number of times head up upon total number of tossed coin, total number of times the coin is tossed. I ask you the value of this fraction. If I solve this, number of times head up is 7 and total number of times the coin is tossed is 10. So basically this is the probability of this is the probability of head comes up. So this is the probability of head comes up. Now you find the number of probability. Now you find number of probability tail comes up. If I find in the same manner, in numerator number of times tails come up, which is equal to 3, and number of times the coin is tossed, which is equal to 10. So I find this fraction. So basically this is the number of probability tails come up. So this is the introduction video of probability, and I hope you understand what is the term probability, where I use probability, what is the need of probability. So please download the Scholar Learning app, and if you already download this, then enjoy learning. Thanks for watching.